Watching us live on Studio 23 from the arena in San Juan. Some of our National U players on your screens. Jen Reyes, who's done a great job so far for National U. Sila General, the rookie, trying to scout the opponents. They have not met Ateneo yet. UST in the meantime, down here by 6, winning big against LaSalle, going up against National U, and then Ateneo. Not an easy schedule also for UST. While Ateneo has gone through FEU, tough match, as Cara pointed out earlier. She didn't like how they played, but they still came up with a win. And an easier win against UIN. Now today, UST.
Free ball.
Down 5 are the Lady Tigresses. Great dig by Jem. Valdez again through the blockers, and Landin couldn't get to it.
What's really working for Ateneo, we know that the attack is there, but their defense today is just very good. You see them, go after each and every ball. Bihira yung bumabagsak na bola.
That's a great point, Ang. Naiaangat pa rin, ano?
No matter where the ball goes, kahit sobrang layo, they still try to go for it.
Because we all know they have attackers already. Nadadagdagan pa with the entry of Valdez last year and Tejada this year. That defense, anchored of course by Denden Lazaro. Oh. Nela Tunay way underneath that ball. Not helping the cause. Down 6 here.
Pervasho serving for Ateneo.
As the captain serves.
Oh, look at that. UST also having a difficult time even with the service reception.
Parang kailan lang, ano? I know you were calling all of these games with Zia Hervasio as a rookie. We saw natural athleticism from her.
And now she's already on her 5th year.
And she has developed into an all-around player too. Good blocker, great attacker. Her service has been steady. She could not embrace the role as the #1 girl, as we've mentioned in past years.
But she's consistent.
Yes, she likes, the role that she plays now. And I think it suits her well. It's more the personality of, let's say, sila Phil, no, sila Eliza. Oh, boy.
That.
Right on cue.
Hervasio showing a very good game today.
Batangueña for her 4th straight point off the serve, and a 10-point lead for the Lady Eagles, who can do no wrong here in the first 2 sets. Look at the form, look at the approach, and then the point at the back of the court.
Oh. What a game. She scored good points with her serve.
They have a cushion.
And these girls, these Lady Eagles have really trained hard the entire year preparing for this season.
Yep, Ateneo's been playing all year, di ba? Most of them actually. Pati beach volleyball, katulad nila Caballejo at nila Banatikla. Speaking of Caballejo, on cue, she gets that one and delays Ateneo's march here. 14, serving 22. Coach Roger, hindi tumatayo today, ha? Sabi nga ni Selena, medyo
no need.
Ilang boses, buti na lang.
But there is no need because the team is playing exceptionally well.
Pero hindi pa tapos to. Maaga pa. You need to finish off teams like UST. You cannot celebrate. And Ateneo has that tendency sometimes, di ba? Medyo yung lumalaglag yung laro pag may lamang. Kahit si Coach Roger, aminin niya yan sa'yo. Lagi niyang sinasabi yun. Ito na naman, pagkakataon para sa UST. Lazaro saves that one. And then Eliza sends it over. Yun na yung point ni Ann kanina.
Ball is still good.
It's still alive. Back set. Kainglet makes something out of it. And he puts it away.
And that's what you have to like about this team. You see, they try to save the ball, isang kamay, dalawang kamay, no matter how it is, they will try to get it.
What a save. What a set by Ho. And what an adjustment by Phil to get them 2 points within a second set win. Ho with a good serve. Jesse De Leon has been quiet since the first set. Ferrer. Be quick to Tejada. Another chance ball for Ateneo. Why not go to Phil? It's still alive. Kainglet. Valdez with a chance here. Back set to Hervasio from the back row. And it's a point for Ateneo. What defense for the white shirts today.
Landin seems to be shaking off her foot.
Parang,
I think he stepped on somebody.
I think nagkabanggaan sila ni Phil kanina dito. Set point. UST scrambling, Ann.
Oh, but
finally.
Middle attack by Las
Mike,
Pimosas.
hopefully it's not too late for UST, but, you know, Ateneo is just 1 point away from closing this set.
No room for error, though.
Pimosas, the serve for UST.
We're still looking for that UST team that beat LaSalle, Ann. That's
Still
not
no
there,
sign.
yep. But Ateneo looking really fluid today. Valdez from the back line. Sends it home and pockets the second set for last year's finalists. What a display on both ends, offensively and defensively. So far, the bad news for the Lady Eagles is that there's still some more volleyball to play, and UST may still come back, but let's see. Emphatic win for Ateneo, 25-13, 25-16. Back in a moment.